Hi guys, it's Aang and welcome back to another cleaning video. Today, I'm going to be tackling my fridge and doing a deep clean for the very first time. We lived here for about 3 months now and I've put this off for way too long. I'm going to start out by removing everything out of the fridge and placing it on the counter behind me. Then I'll remove all the shelves and drawers. I'm so grateful for a large sink that I can wash everything in. In full disclosure, I've used the bathtub before when I've had a smaller sink. I'm using Mrs. Meyers dish soap in the Peony scent to wash everything. You'll see that I use the dishwasher as a drying rack and then dry everything off with a towel. I use Method Anti-Bac in bamboo to spray the inside of the fridge and wiping it down with a microfiber cloth. Now I'm moving on to the freezer side. I got lazy and just left the shelves in this time. The fridge is probably my least favorite thing to clean. That wraps it up for the video, guys. I hope that this inspired you to clean your fridge. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
Hi guys, it's Logan here. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye!